This talking parrot is on a mission to find treasure. He's been given a map that leads to a chest full of gold coins, but there's a problem. The map is upside down. Can you help him flip it the right way? This parrot is very smart. He can talk and he can count. One day, he sees a human playing a game on their phone. The parrot asks if he could play too, but the human says no, so the parrot gets really upset and starts screaming. The human gets so scared that they drop their phone. And when they turn around, the parrot grabs the phone and takes it to his nest. The parrot looks at the map again. It's still upside down, so he takes the phone, puts it on the table and starts pecking at it. He's trying to flip the screen the right way. After a few minutes, he successfully flips the screen and sees the correct path to the treasure. The parrot flies over to the chest, opens it up and finds the gold coins. He's so happy that he starts dancing. The treasure is his.